stroll through my neighborhood streets. Nobody can teach what my daddy didn't already preach. Mom's passed away at a young age. Sister in the early grade. Homies in the hood slowly fade away. I'm going back in time. I'm going back in time. Before I had this crazy mind, no medication. I'm too cool for free bass and cordless mics. Give me relaxation every time my spirit steps on stage. See the light in your eye, communicating with the person on the other side. Let it ride as your conscience runs free. I asked you once before, do you believe? Let it ride as your conscience runs free. I asked you once before, do you believe? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky? When the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, down.
When the rain comes down, when it comes down.
Since the early days, she'd be amazed if I told you how my life got saved. In a race to get paid, working hard for the grade. Slang town's the only thing that pulled me out from the shade. I'm feeling half complete as I walk through my ghetto street. My lady says I'm crazy cause there's so much to work and teach. I'm struggling for love and so the doors to stay open. Always coping with life in general, that's why I stay focused. We got beautiful women dying of cancer. Amputation of the spirit and mind, that ain't the answer.
Lois, I love you, I'll always wonder why. Lois, I love you, I try not to cry. Now let me feel it, the rain that is, let me spit this. J-Mo, let me rip this, now get serious. When the rain comes down, when the rain comes down, down. I'ma put on my hood and cover up the whole town with the native funk coming through your hood as we stump. The sun that's raining down, you acting like a chump. Raise your hand to the sky, now where is it coming from?
Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky? Do you feel the rain? Can you feel the rain from the sky?
Now that was some old shit there.
Yup, show you right.
Now pass that pipe.
Hold on, fool.
Many motherfucking moons ago, squaws from all over followed the rivers and streams to the drum sound of the native funk, just to get an earful of the spiritual child's wisdom. Once appearing upon the reservation with high hopes of guidance, they realized what was actually going on was a rum-shaking, back-breaking, peyote-smoking, feather-tickling fuck fest. Whoa! Whoa!